Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Smart Link in Cyberpunk. This essential cyberware is a hands implant that directly connects your optical system to smart weapons. It enables their unique auto-targeting feature, allowing projectiles to home in on enemies. Without this crucial link, smart weapons function like ordinary firearms, losing their primary advantage. Equipping Smart Link is fundamental for any build focusing on smart weapon effectiveness. To get your Smart Link, head to any Ripperdock across Night City. This cyberware is installed in your hand slot and is available in several rarity tiers, from common to legendary. Higher rarity versions provide enhanced benefits, such as increased critical damage by up to 25% and improved target lock duration. Be prepared to spend some eddies and ensure you have enough street cred to unlock the more advanced and powerful options. Once your Smart Link is installed, simply equip any smart weapon. In combat, you don't need pinpoint accuracy, just aim generally in the direction of your enemy. The auto-targeting system will activate, guiding your bullets to their mark, even allowing them to curve around cover. You'll notice a distinct change in your weapon's reticle when the Smart Link is actively locking onto a target, confirming its homing capabilities. Smart Link offers substantial advantages, including a significant boost to smart weapon critical damage and extended target lock duration. It also provides a passive increase of 0.1% to smart weapon damage for every attribute point you have. For maximum effectiveness, combine your Smart Link with specific perks designed to enhance smart weapon performance. Additionally, remember that Smart Link is a necessary prerequisite for utilizing the powerful projectile launch system cyberware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.